Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Average Korean Man from South Korea. Another happy weekend has begun. I am with my fiancee right now. She's right next to me. And we found a bakery cafe nearby. And it happens to be a popular bakery cafe. And this place has a lot of bagels over here. And we're going to show you what we're going to order. Let's go. I would like to show you guys some interesting bagels here. This one over here is called garlic bagel. Very Korean style garlic. And one over here is green onion bagel. This one over here is very unique as well. Chives bagel. Alright, these are the things we have ordered. We have ordered ham bagel, and this is just a plain bagel, and over here is the garlic bagel. Yes, and I have ordered sweet vanilla latte, and she has ordered one Americano. We came here for a little snack, but it's more like a meal. Let's try with the ham bagel first. Let's try ham and butter inside. There is butter here. And this is what garlic bagel looks like. It has cream in here. Oh, it's garlic cream and garlic on top as well. It's good. This one is very sweet. It's garlicky but sweet at the same time. And over to this side we have iced water and just room temperature water, some tissues, and here there is a oven here you can use to heat your bagel if you want to. Yep. Christmas vibe. Hey guys, it is dinner time right now. I am at my fiance's place and we have ordered something called 족발. 족발. Ta-da! This is 족발, and 족발 means pig's feet. Pig's feet. So it's a pork dish. I will explain how to eat 족발. And this is the main dish over here, 족발, and so with some kimchi, with some buchu, chives here, and some side dishes. And it comes with the noodles here, with spicy sauce. And we have bought extra sesame leaves and also, perilla leaves and some lettuce over here because we love vegetables. And I will show you how to eat. So first, grab a piece of perilla leaf and a lettuce, or just one of these two if you don't like vegetables that much. And grab a piece of 족발 and put whatever you want inside here. maybe a little bit of the sauce for me, and a little bit of 백김치. It's one of a kimchi, but white kimchi, and maybe some chives over here. Ta-da! And you wrap it, and put it in your mouth like that. Hey guys, I would like to introduce Korean persimmon that I'm going to eat for my dessert. And when a persimmon is fully ripened, it becomes very soft. It's very soft. It becomes very almost like pudding. It's very soft. And we call this kind of persimmon 홍시. 홍시. Persimmon is 감 in Korean, 감. But when it's ripened fully and becomes soft, we call it 홍시. 홍시. So I'm going to show you how to eat 홍시. And I believe there is a specific species that is used to make 홍시. So first, you peel off the skin like that. And then you just scoop it with your spoon like this. And 홍시 is always super sweet. 홍시 is something everyone can enjoy. This is great fruit for dessert. Alright guys, I'm going to eat rest of the 홍시. I think I'm going to end the video here today, everyone. Thank you for watching my video once again, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.